Get ready to get amazed. Follow our drone make a crazy flight through a luxury hostel in Copenhagen. Wait to the end and watch the drones almost push a paddleboard girl into the water. Welcome to Next House Hostel in Denmark, where you will instantly feel the international atmosphere, friendly staff and the stylish design. Next House gives you the true hostel atmosphere. Have you ever seen a hostel with an indoor football pitch, a fully equipped gym, 4 bars and a cool nightclub? All this at the centre of Copenhagen. This hostel has a total of 4 bars with multiple areas to enjoy their draft beers, refreshing cocktails and a nice chilled glass of wine. And on top of all, they have tons of social games to offer their travellers. You will have a lot of fun. Let's fly the drone to the downstairs area. Next house should be named Fun House. Fun House with the amount of games they offer. The indoor arena is one of the coolest parts of the hostel. It can be used for dodgeball, football and handball and all sorts of games. They even have an area where guests can watch the games. If you are a solo traveller, you want to get a dorm. They offer both 4-person and 6-person dorms, with ensuite bathrooms. Each bed comes with a towel reading light and you can lock up your valuables in a security locker. The eatery offers you an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet with pastas and salad. The pizzas are crisp and tasty, with a good assortment of pizzas for just under €15. The hostel is located a quick walk to the boardwalk and gives you a unique and modern waterfront with a lot of fun activities and company of fellow travellers and the local residents. Fellow travellers, you can get this for less than €25 a night.